Hello, everyone. This is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my media channel. And today we are going to be unboxing Anora, the 4K release from Criterion. And oh boy, is that a sexy cover. And for a reason. I mean, this has some steamy scenes in it, although if you watch it, you'll find out that it's quite a bit more than what the cover suggests. This is the latest movie to win the Academy Award for Best Picture, so that's a big get for Criterion. So you can see this is director approved by Sean Baker, and unfortunately, when it was shipped, it got a little damaged. I mean, that's the problem when you do these cardboard things. It's like, and you have them shipped. Oh well, what are you gonna do? They accepted a return after the return date, so I'm not gonna complain too much. But here's it says you have the 4K and Blu-ray. Oh look, how nice! They actually put the R rating there. Didn't put the description, but whatever. This is number 1259. And let's look inside. Let's see if the artwork gets any steamier once you start opening it. You always have to be a little bit more careful about opening these Criterions when they're cardboard, because you can accidentally kind of pressure in the cardboard and damage it a little bit more. I definitely prefer plastic. Just throwing that out there, Criterion. I love your collection, but your plastic cases, I think, are overall better. So let's open this. Fair warning to any parents watching this, I do not know, but there might not be G-rated pictures on the inside. Let's see here. Okay, so that's not too. Oh, a disc is falling out. A disc is falling out. Hate that. Hate that. Hate that. Hate that. Okay. So let's. Why is this not falling back? There we go. Okay. So that's the spread. I mean, this is actually more what the movie looks like than the front cover, so they're being a little bit more honest on the inside. Here's the 4K disc right here. We'll take that. So these things don't hold the discs very well. That's the second Blu-ray. I'm assuming that's where the special features are. And we have Blu-ray 1. That's where the movie is. I wish they would have picked a better. Wish they would have picked something better for that, but oh well. It is what it is. Let's put these back as best as I can. They don't seem to hold very well, and that's disappointing. Although, and for something that doesn't hold very well. Now then, this is kind of clever. It almost looks like a magazine. Let's see who does the intro. Oh, they really made this look like a magazine, like an old-fashioned magazine, or movie program. So the essay is written by Dennis Lim. I don't know who Dennis Lin is, but I'm sure they will tell us at the end. This is actually one of the make new friends. It's got ads and everything in it. How cool is that? They really went out of their way to make this feel as authentic. Okay, Dennis Lin is the artistic director of the New York Film Festival and the author of David Lynch, The Man from Another Place, and Tale of Cinema. Okay, that's cool. Ooh, some of these photos. This is not a G-rated episode, unfortunately. And I guess I have another one for Kirla Janice. Janice, I think that's how you pronounce her name. Permissive. Oh boy, this is a fun one. Kirla Janice is a film writer, producer, and acquisitions executive for Severine Films. She is the author of Cockfight, A Fable of Failure. Okay, so she's definitely done a lot of stuff. So this is, I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of cool. In the image of 2024. That's why she won the Oscar, folks. All those images. No, I'm kidding. She won the Oscar because she's brilliant in this movie performance. So that is Anora on 4K Criterion, and obviously, if you're buying all the Best Picture winners, you're going to want this as part of your collection. I haven't watched it yet, but being Criterion, I'm sure the picture quality is excellent. Definitely some steamy packaging, and look, it is a steamy movie, not gonna lie, but it's also very, very emotional and almost darkly humorous near the second half, and has a lot to say about money and social class and things like that. There's a reason people said this was a modern day version of Pretty Woman, except maybe with a not quite as happy ending as that movie had. So anyway, I would like to know, do any of you have this movie? Do you have this edition? What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? What do you think of the movie? I'd love to know. Comment below. And as always, I'll see you at the movies. Take care, everyone.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.